Hello, I'd like to welcome you to 312 East 7th Street in the Renaissance Place condominium project in downtown Indianapolis. This is a lovely neighborhood with lots of trees and green grass, and we're right downtown, and those are skyscrapers right over there. And so this gives you a view of this wonderful block with sidewalks and lots of grass and lots of trees, which is so unusual in the city. Notice the fireplace, the dimensional shingles. This is a PUD condominium project. There is a one-car garage here with the master up above with its balcony, and we'll come inside. And this is 1 to 2 bedrooms, depending on how you configure it. Notice the parquet floor, notice the wonderful fireplace and the paddle fan, and it's wood burning. And then we come over here to the dining room area. And then there is a patio out here. And so you've got a concrete portion, but then also other portions, privacy fence. Everybody kind of has the same configuration in the neighborhood. And then we'll come into the kitchen. The kitchen will need to be a full remake and redo. And so this is a family that's come in for one of their relatives and cleaned it out. And so there's also a half bathroom in here with a new toilet. And it's obviously some TLC. There's an attached one-car garage and with an electric garage door opener. And there's a Carrier gas regular high efficiency furnace, and then a 50-gallon gas hot water tank too, and lots of storage. And there's 100 amp service here. The breaker box is here, but then there's also the main disconnect is outside. And so we will now go upstairs, and let me see, this has an open loft to it. And by the way, there's a coat closet there. And so you can see upstairs, many people have enclosed this, and it's just a few $1,000s to have it enclosed and put a doorway in, but it has a window, it's a large open space, and there's also a closet here. And so we'll go into the master bedroom, and as I said, it sits over the garage. It's lovely and big. It has a balcony to it with sliding glass doors, and you can see the Riley Towers up over here, and even the minarets of the Marat Center. And so we'll come around. There is a walk-in closet to this unit, and we'll come up here and here. And then there is a Jack and Jill kind of bathroom, double sinks, and then new toilet, cast iron tub with 4-inch square tiles, obviously exhaust fans and all of these. So this is 312 East 7th Street in Renaissance Place in downtown Indianapolis, and I hope you would enjoy living in a place like this.